Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about human hair and their taxes, human hair and their wahala, human hair and the plenty things that comes with hair wahala. No, we women now buy human hair, and the more you buy, the more other colors are coming out. But in my case, I'm so lucky that even the hair I think I have I bought many years ago, it still was still in vogue now. You understand? If I'm scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, I begin to see hair. When I would just sight my eyes on the hair, I would not remember it. I think I had something like this before. You understand? Buying hair is one thing. Another thing is, can you maintain the hair? I see some vendors maybe making posters and giving complaint that some people are tagging them that the hair they sold for them was not good. Some hair are good though. It depends on the way we are keeping it. Like myself, I'm not exempted. I cannot lie. If I just wear hair before, like this hair now, you can see, it's still very much in vogue, very beautiful. What I said, I'm going to title this video hair and their necessity. Before I used to buy hair, after wearing the hair, I would just keep it or fold it and go and keep it somewhere. This era is not like that too. Because if you see the money they are even putting on hair, you understand? If you are lucky enough to have quality hair, just like in hair, I would say I'm the luckiest person. Call my hair superb. You understand? You see the hair? For so many years, oh, it's still very much in vogue. The color is giving 100 times 100. So what happened is, if you buy hair, be able to maintain it. So you have all this mannequin. One of the main necessity that you have. If you don't want to keep your hair in if you don't want to waste your money, or if you don't want to go and quarrel with people you have bought hairs from, you have to have these things as necessity. You see the hair? So very fine. You see this hair? I've only wore this hair once. You see? Only once. So you see the hair? 100%. Lovely hair, good hair. You understand? Buying hair is one thing. Another thing is keeping it real. I mean, being able to maintain the hair you bought. That's another thing. And this hair, if you see the price tag that they are just putting on the hair, you don't have other choice than to maintain the ones you have before. Me, I don't want to start repeating what I've bought before. I don't want to be buying hair, repeating it, what I've wasted money for years. The money you are supposed to use in doing better things, you still go and repeat the same hair you have bought because of lack of maintenance. So you have human hair. These are necessity. These are the most things that you need to have. Very. It's a necessity, it's a must. You understand? This one is a hot comb. You see it? Hot comb. You see? It's a must have. You can use it to, everybody know what hot comb is meant for. You understand? It's a necessity, a must have. You see it? That's one of the most important thing you need to have when having human hair. This one. This is also stretchy comb, hot comb as well. You see, hot hair brush is a must, is a necessity, is what you need to have. You can see all the vendors you are buying hair from. They have all these things they are using to keep the hair real. That is making the hair to get attractive to you. So if you buy hair, you need to have buy same things too. You understand? You can't just be buying hair and wasting money without being able to maintain your hair. You see, it is a necessity. Is what you need to have as a person that is buying human hair, which is to like this. My hair is giving 100/100. You see the way they did this. Hmm? This is a glowless wig. Oh. That's how I like wigs. Factory made wigs, but I'm not too confident. I just prefer I buy bundles and I give it to someone to wig it for me. Because most people will sell blend for you in the name of wig. But if you are not careful enough, after few years, you start noticing that it's blend you buy is not human. You see this one now. See the way it is. 100/100. The color, the hair, the texture, everything is given. Just like this one. You see it? You see it? Very soft. I'm so lucky with it. So this are necessity. This one is a hot brush and this hot comb. They work. This one, the style this one is this hot brush. The style this one is going to give you is different. This one is hair straightener. You just use it to. Is a hot comb for straightening your hair. This is good for straight hairs like all these ones. These two are good for all these ones. But if you have curly hair, not like all these ones, not like the one I'm wearing. When I say curly hair, maybe waves and those things, you need rollers. In this bag, I have different kind of rollers. I have long rollers, I have big rollers, I have rollers in different form just to keep my hair real because I can't be wasting money and repeating all over again what I've bought before. So I decided to get all these things. These are necessity. Very important. This roller. Yes, me. These different type of rollers. You can see. Very, very important. Another thing is for curly hair, you need tonguing machine. This tonguing machine, you can see is even the old type. It's not this new one. This new one, I will do video about it. It's on the way. It has not arrived. I'll be using this one to tongue my hair. Maybe I need tiny coils. Why the big one that I just ordered that's on its way? Maybe it will arrive tomorrow or next. I'll be using it for BB coils. You understand? You see, it is a necessity. Very, very important. You need to have these things. You understand? If you don't have money, save for it. If you want your hair to last, if you want to, if you don't want to have quarrel with your vendors, most hair are very good though. Depends on the way we maintain it. That's true. You understand? You see? Anywhere, any kind of coils you want, this one can as well give it to you. You understand? It is a must have. It is a necessity. You see? Plancha, hair straightener. This hair straightener, I can say is 11 years now. When I started buying hair, that's when I have these two. You know, every day different thing comes out. Different pattern, different comb, just like combs. If you buy comb today, before you know it, in a day or 2 or 3 weeks, you see another pattern of comb for different hair with their different way of combing it with their different hair brush. You understand? I maintain my hair a lot too. The way me I maintain my thing, hair, it will always be serving me uh, new hair good. The era we have now is not buying hair out, because all these things are depreciating assets. It's not a thing that will fetch you money tomorrow. It's just things that you use in maintaining yourself. While you are also buying things to maintain yourself, also be ready to maintain the things you have bought, so that you will not be repeating all over again, buying again. You see, straightener, tongue machine, hot comb, and hairbrush. This for straight hair, and this for straight hair too. This for coiling hair. This one are rollers. This one and rollers is what I'm using for coiling hair. Another thing is, if you are before I begin to wig my hair like this, glueless. This one doesn't need the go to be all this stuff. No, this is good to go. But all these are necessity. Go to be, you know what it's made for. You understand? If you want to, uh, if you are having me, I have like 7, 8 frontal. I used to use this before. I see it's very stressful using go to. I'll come and tie it. I have everything that takes that maybe if I want to do frontal, I'm capable. But to give myself less stress, I decided to just be wigging my hair like this. You see it? So beautiful. Beautiful. This is for coiling hair. This is for frontal. This is Odin spray. Odin spray. All these things are necessity. This is good for hair. Aloe vera. It's not all product I see on TikTok or other platform I use. No. I do my research very well. I read very well before I begin to apply any stuff to my hair, because if you see the amount some people are putting in human hair, to look as if you are going to buy um plots of land. The money that you can use to do better things is what you just be investing on hair. On at those days, don't want to be wasting money again. You see, all these are all necessity. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.